What if you could ask Claude which were the blogs or website pages that lost rank in the last 30 days? And it would simply answer it. Well, most of the B2B marketers look at Google Search Console data and struggle with it. There is so much content that you're pushing out, 2 blogs, 3 blogs on a daily basis, multiple landing pages, product pages, homepage. It's difficult to keep track of your organic performance. If only you could simply ask something like a Claude about insights on your organic performance, about the gaps that exist and what optimizations are required. That would make wonders. And that is possible. Google launched its own Google Search Console MCP. Now, the problem with the Google Search Console MCP by Google itself is that it lacks a lot of capabilities. However, the more important point of constraint is that it takes you a lot of tech help in order to set it up. For a non-tech marketer like me, it becomes very difficult to set it up and to start using it. That's why we at GrowthSpree built this absolutely free forever. We don't store any data, only OAuth authentication that happens just for you to be able to connect your Google Search Console. And then you just set it up on your Claude and start using it. It's free forever. Yes, once again, and it takes less than 5 minutes to set it up. So you can stop worrying about the plethora of data around Search Console and start asking questions that matter so that you can take better decisions. Let me show you step by step how to set it up for free forever in just about 5 minutes. First thing that you do is visit our website, growthspreeofficial.com, go to Marketing AI Agents, click on the Google Search Console MCP. When you're here, just put your email ID, click on Get Access Now, and just wait for a while. You'll be getting an email on your email ID, which will look like this with this particular subject line, welcome to Zipeline, which is what we're calling our AI agent. It's a simple process. The first step is you click on this link. It will take you to Zipeline platform. Here you have to enter the email ID and the password that is in your email. Don't worry, I'm not hiding it because I have already deactivated this account. Now, next step is on Zipeline itself, move to the integrations page, which is going to be right here. Once you do that, click on Finish Setup on Google Search Console. It's a simple OAuth, as I mentioned. Empower AI was our old name. Now we're calling it Zipeline AI. And you just click on the email ID, which has the access to your Google Search Console, and it's done. You come back to the integrations page and make sure that you have this API token visible. This will be required later. Now go back to the email. Next step that you have to do is click on this link. It will help you download this MCPB file, which is the MCP main file, right? Just click on this link and you will come to this particular drive, download it. And once you've downloaded it, go back to the email. The next step is you install Claude Desktop. If you don't have it, just click here. It's a simple process. You'll be able to do it and sign up with your email ID on Claude. Once you're done with that, move to Claude, and that is where we will be setting up the extension. On Claude, visit Settings, Extensions, Advanced Settings, Install Extension, and just put your MCPB file right here. Once you do that, in a few seconds, a dialog box will appear. It is enabled. Click on Configure. On Configure, you have to paste the API token, which was on the Zipeline platform. Right here is your API key. Copy it and just paste it on Claude. Right here, you paste it and you click on Save. And that's it. Go to New Chat. First thing that you do is ensure that under connectors, you have GrowthSpree MCP server enabled. Now you can start asking about the blogs that you wrote last 30 days and what has the performance being, what are the landing pages or the web pages that have lost rank in the last 90 days. What is your optimization strategy lacking? All of these questions and much more can be answered with the help of your always-on analyst for Search Console. Thank you.